Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big. April 22, 2024. It was Earth Day Saturday. But for us here in sanitation, it's Earth Day every day. Let's go pick up some trash. Today I got a semi-new truck. CNG. Got my big heavy duffel bag, my seat cushion. What else we got here? My clipboard. Always carry a rag in case you need to clean your windows and your windshield and whatnot. Water with electrolytes, of course. Hand sani. Extra water. This one's bigger than the previous one. Phone charger. Glass cleaner. Steering wheel knob. PPE. I carry duct tape just in case. When I got hired, I got 3 different keys. This one's from an auto car. This one's from the newer Peterbilt. And this one's for the old diesel Peterbilt right here. Today we're using this one. Left side, left side. Yes, I did check the oil already. Only have 2 hands, my guys. All of my Christmas lights are working. I kicked the tires. Time to go. Of course, there's more to it than just kicking the tires. I was just kidding. I did my pre-trip already. There's switch controls for the clamp and arms. Let's see if it's working. Back in, open, close, up, and what pushes the trash back? That over there. Yep, that's working. All systems go, I guess. Let's put her back up. And do not forget to lock the cart. So this one locks the cart, which is a pin up there. It's supposed to be yellow, but you know, it gets dirty. That's the pin right there. Now it's gone. See the difference? And it's back. This one locks the whole cart rail, so it won't creep out as I'm driving. Hi, it's LA Danny. Anyways, I am done with my pre-trip at 6:04. I start at 6, so that means I started early. You know how I like to do, get in early, get out early. Not exactly, I'm still gonna have a bunch of delays, but you know what I mean. I like to get a head start. Now we are at Arco getting unleaded. Just kidding. Diesel. Just kidding. CNG. This is how I fuel this truck. And it's Monday, and this is my reality. Extreme close up. Gotta go to the landfill. She's full of trash. So I ran out of towels. It's a bit foggy today at the landfill. At the scale house, I'm getting weighed in right now. We gotta go way up there and make a left. You guys see that? Me neither. That truck is gonna disappear right now. Look at that. It's a ghost. Thank you. We reached the back of the line. This is not normal. We're not even close to the dump area, so I don't know what's going on. Probably fog delay. I'm gonna continue to sit back and hurry up and wait. Alright, we moved up, still waiting. Back here where we are, it's a dead zone, no cell service. So I started cleaning my windshield and my mirrors. They all look clean now. And As soon as I get up a little further, I'll get a cig, and if I have to wait any longer, then I'll just do my banking. Just make sure that I'm in budget with my finances. This is not Congress. I don't spend like crazy. 2 hours later, we reached the dump site. Normal is 30 minutes, so been here, it's gonna be 2 hours. Safe to say that I'm gonna get off late today. Overtime. If my garbage truck was a Transformers, it'll be Overtimeatron. By the way, our steering wheel is on the right side. How do I feel about this? Maybe you're wondering. I'm used to it. The first day was kind of weird, but it wasn't hard. There it goes. Looks like he's empty. Alright, finally gonna start my route. Line it up. Switches. That's a win. Alright, good job. And my packer is working. Alright, collecting my last can for my first load. Since there was absolutely no rain this last weekend, I went a little further on my first load. Alright, things in place. Yeah, I went a little further today because last time I was perfect, but I ended somewhere over there. Today I got a little further. Alright, second time to the landfill. In the morning we were stopped around here. It's all open now. This was all backed up. Looks like the transfer truck line starts here. Not mine. I keep going. Still going, no line yet. Transfer trucks has a gap in the line, so it restarts over here from where you saw them last time. And mine starts there. We're literally next. We made it, my guys. It appears that these bulldozers smash and push away the trash all throughout the day, kind of like compacting it. It's coming. Come on. He's constipated. Better move your truck forward, my guy. It's crazy. Come on. Hey, you're blocking the view. Look at that big dump right there. Oh wow. Lunchtime at El Milagro. I got tacos. I got these tacos at a bakery, El Milagro. Give it a 4.5 out of 5 on these tacos. They're pretty good. That's right, we're at Shell, getting some diesel, getting CNG, city yard. Let's go throw away our trash. No leftover tacos. I was pretty hungry. Look, is it empty? You see that? Oh, you can see right through. That's one way of knowing if it's empty. What do we do with restrooms? Go every opportunity we get. At the landfill, now here at the fuel station. Don't worry, I'm not taking you with me. While I was at the bakery, I got some conchas to take home and some kind of other bread for Nona. The bakery there is the best. So I tied it up, secured it, make sure it's clean by the time I get home. 3600 is full. Looks like it stopped right there. That's good enough. Hazard light, I'm on park already, neutral, turn on the PTO, dump cycles to 1. Let's get it started. Back on route, I noticed that there's a low-hanging tree, so I'm gonna move my can, put it over here just to be safe. Down. Picked up, so let's switch sides, my guys. There you go, no tree. Nice. Checking my mirrors, my surroundings, lining it up. Let's go. BEA beautiful. See you later. I have to pick up my last can of my route. Don't forget to lock your pan and your cart rail. I need some more agua. Now I need to call my boss because I do have extra work, but maybe they picked it up. Start command, start command, come in, start command. Alright, looks like I have more work. Overtime. Well, technically I've been on overtime for like 2 hours already. So more overtime. Third time at the landfill. Have plenty of fuel. So it's all good in the hood. It's the end of the day, so I gotta do a clean out, which is a little compartment that gets trash in there. I gotta clean it out right now. Did it dunk completely? Let's check it out. Got a little bit of trash. Let me recycle the dump. It's my special bar to get all this trash out of here. This side or the other side? I guess this is why I need a GoPro. That's better. Yeah, the Buffalo Bills are trash. Alright, she's empty. Alright, got a little help on my extra work. So that took about half an hour. My first load was 3 hours, give or take. My second load was just under 2 hours, and right now it's about 30 minutes. Time to go home. Lakers starts at 7. Go Lakers. Alright my guys, I'm done. No, I'm not the last one. It was a major delay because of the fog this morning at the landfill. We've had a fog before, so I don't know what was happening. Anyways, if you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe, hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do, comment if you like. See ya. LA Danny out. Hell no, I didn't forget my conscious. Oh, I almost forgot. It's 7 o'clock. So we're gonna call that 12 and a half hours for today. Minus lunch, 30 minutes, so 12 and a half.